Tang hadin lai singi baka Assam State Electricity Board ESCB haka kendai tarik unai la araja opsan kalawan shna batung atli pos electric hau por usam kashnong mai khuli mendak singi kalami ke jingya kanat bat ketmak tin ke bejor hapadeng ki paidbah nong shong shnong ke mai khuli bat ki nong shong shnong ke jela Assam haka te ke jaka khapur kumbalayo jingtem Nadu kasi sa chan ki paidbah ka mai khuli kila persyang lor ka jingwan thong pos electric daka ESEB hapo ka shnong mai khuli bat ka bor shnong kala pentem sya ka bor sanchar district banle yak baran kam ban weng no ya ki te ki pos Henry nakadaw ka jing pani bor ki brio na Assam ka jing ya persya kala mi menta ka singi hadu balahab ban 1 poi ki magistrate bat ki pulit na ribhoy bat na kamrup ban tem ya kate ka jing ya kanat long ru baka daw baka jing huri hura ka mi ka day na ka jing kan shot bat jing pen sngoto bakla uwe unong Assam bakerteng madhav deka uba leyalam bakla ki paidbah nagishnong hapot ka Assam bat haka jing shisha ya kate ka kam lade penyekran bat penbet ki board district ka ribhoy bat kamrum na ka jingan chat utay ubriu ka jingya kanat kala nangjur bat hadu baki paidbah Assam kim salya show wat ban buram ki board sanchar district ki bala let ban penben hadu menta ka shnong kanang ap ya rai jong deputy commissioner ka ribhoy banyakran mador bat deputy commissioner ka kamrum lada ka jingakran kam urlong ki paidbah ka mai khuli kila rai bakin weng no dalade ye ki te ki pos electric ki bla thung be an ho pot usam ka shnong ka baha ba pok jela Meghalaya
আজি 15 বছৰ পৰা লাইন লৈ আছো অসমৰ লাইন
ভাঙিছে আকৌ ৱালটো নহয় আমি লগাই কোনটো হিয়াতে হিয়াতৰ সুবিধা আমাক লাইট আমি কিমান কষ্ট পাইছো আজি 2 বছৰ লাইন আমাৰ না মটৰ চলে না ফ্ৰিজ চলে না ফেন চলে আমি কেনেকৈ ভুক্তভোগী আজি ইমান কৈ মেলি আমি প্ৰশাসনক কৈ মেলি কিনে আমি
that issue also was resolved okay because I spoke to Mr. Besha and I had come to that part. Even in Yongkuli also there's another village. Okay, there's another village called Yongkuli. We had visited the village, it was sorted. Why? Because information was shared between two state governments.
Also be sorted.
Yes. So, yes, exactly that. And what I'm saying is, because they weren't aware of the fact that this post was going to be erected, so that's why they raised this issue.
Excuse me, sir. Can you speak Assamese?
Hindi Assamese में बोलिए
কথা হ'ল না স্যার এটা কথা হ'ল ইয়াত থকা মানুহবিলাকে ইমান বছৰ লাইট নাছিল
মেঘলা বা লাইন লোৱা নাই গ্ৰুপ কৰক না আপনি কোনো লাইন লগাই দেখা দেখি অসমৰ মাটিত আছে না মেঘলা লাইন
It's clearly mentioned there that central government schemes won't be affected at all, but yet both RTCs have agreed to the fact that we will coordinate amongst each other because, see, this is not a one-time thing. These people will be staying here forever amongst each other. So our duty is to ensure that communication is shared up until this is resolved. Okay, so the issue here is that they weren't informed, and see, this is still an area of difference. Both RDCs also, as according to the letter from the Secretary of the Government of India, also they have said that both the DCs will come and visit these places before the regional committees meet again. And prior to that also, if you have gone through the files, there are letters given by both RDCs stating that communication will be shared. So that's why, see, it's a question of land. Okay, so the thing is, they are also afraid that part of the land will be taken. I understand that from your people also, people will be afraid that your land also will be taken. That's why information was very important to be shared. So last time even they had come for house numbering, na? House numbering. That issue also was resolved. Okay, because I spoke to Mr. Besha. Mr. Besha and I had come to that part. Even in Yongkuli also there's another village. Okay, there's another village called Yongkuli. We had visited the village. It was sorted. Why? Because information was shared between two state governments. Yes. So, yes, exactly that. And what I'm saying is, because they weren't aware of